The Case Management Society of America is proud to announce the 2021 Case Manager of the Year, Patricia Noonan, RN, MBA, CCM. As a strong advocate for CMSNE, CMSA, CMSA Foundation, and the case management profession, Patricia, or Pat by all who know her, has been described as a passionate collaborator, an inspirational leader, hardworking, and committed to excellence. Pat recently retired as the Director of Care Management, North Unit, at Beth Israel Lahey Health Performance Network. In the position, she was responsible for leadership support to the accountable care units to ensure quality, efficient transitional and ambulatory care services for the ACO Medicare, Medicaid, and commercial high-risk population. As director, her responsibilities included care management program development and strategic planning, while working closely with care management leadership within a large, integrated healthcare system. Pat has enjoyed her nursing career, which spans across clinical settings including medical, surgical, and emergency unit settings. She has over 20 years of case management experience in a management service organization. Her former colleagues were eager to applaud her upon hearing the news of her win. Joanne Piper shared that Pat was the person on the leadership team who could remind the stakeholders that patients are more than just metrics and outcomes, and that care managers are the subject matter experts when it comes to leveraging resources and coordinating care. She saw the value that care managers bring to patients and providers to demystify complex care plans. Pat was honored to be able to embed evidence-based practices in population health into case management programs to improve the quality of life and care for the dementia population, ACO complex high-risk population, and the employee population. To be able to share the professional case manager's role and value in population health and contribute toward the triple aim has been a highlight of her career. Another colleague, Donna White, expressed, "As my boss and mentor, Pat led by example and made sure our department followed the case management philosophy and guiding principles." Pat is one of the kindest, hardest working, and most sincere people that you will ever meet. She has a strong passion for the work of case management and has dedicated her life to making our profession one of integrity and value. She encouraged me to join CMSA to help expand my professional horizons and opportunities. Pat taught me what it truly meant to be a professional case manager. Doug Cushman, the Case Management Society of New England chapter president, who was instrumental in nominating Pat, said this about her. "She has been a great support to our organization, having served in many roles. Pat leads with kindness, grace, and a truly generous spirit. Pat embodies what we should all strive for in our personal and professional lives." Pat serves as treasurer for both the CMSA National Board and the CMSA Foundation. Another highlight of her career was meeting with officials at the White House, Health and Human Services, and legislators on Capitol Hill to share stories that illustrate the value of the professional case manager's role in the U.S. healthcare system. Pat's wonderful family includes her husband, Kenneth, of 42 years, her two amazing children, Matthew and Kelly, and her beautiful granddaughter, McKinney, with another grandchild due in the fall. She feels blessed to have such an incredible family. As Deborah Gutteridge, a longtime friend and CMSA Foundation president, stated, "Each of us becomes a better person for knowing Pat. She exemplifies the true meaning of CMOY. Please join us in congratulating the 2021 Case Manager of the Year, Patricia Noonan.
Hi, everyone. I am incredibly honored and humbled to receive this award. When I received the call from Mark Evans, the chair of the awards committee, I was frankly so surprised and overwhelmed with joy. I'd like to say thank you to the CMSA board and the awards committee for your commitment and dedication to case management and through your volunteerism. I'd like to say thank you to my husband, who knows how important case management is to me and that it's really my second family. I would like to extend a sincere thank you to my fellow Case Management Society of New England colleagues who have taught me so much over the past 20 years by continuously bringing quality education to case managers. I would also like to extend a sincere thank you to my fellow colleagues who so surprised me in supporting this award. I am truly grateful. I would like to extend a big shout out to my former case management colleagues at the Beth Israel Lahey Health Performance Network. I miss you. You are all true professionals who improve the quality of life of the patients and the families that you serve each and every day. Your service this past year during the pandemic was truly remarkable. I accept this award with sincere gratitude to those case management leaders and colleagues who have touched my life over the past 2 decades with unwavering professionalism, who inspired me, whether it was meeting you through CMSA or the Case Management Society of New England or the CMSA Foundation, or to those that I have worked with in case management. One of the greatest joys in my career has been to not only have been given opportunities to learn, but to also then take best practices and be able to embed those best practices into various case management programs that improved the quality of life for patients and their caregivers. And to also advocate for health policy and professional case management at the public policy level. Making a difference in this way has been so very meaningful to me. Finally, in closing, I would like to say to those case management colleagues who have been impacted during the pandemic this past year, either through a personal loss or loss of employment, and to those who may be struggling to find your place again, I want you to know that you are not alone. You have a whole case management community right here at CMSA and your local chapter that you can connect with to find out that there are so many opportunities where you can get involved. I encourage you to reach out and connect. Thank you again for this beautiful award. I am truly honored and grateful.